What's up, folks? Mr. B here from Yard Media Sunday Scoops. Just wanna get a quick update. We, of course, are entering our 4th year with the Yard Media Sunday Scoops operation, and we wanna use the opportunity to say thanks. But more importantly, we have a special program lined up, recognizing the work that Freddy McGregor has done, his contribution to Jamaica's music for well over 50 years. And this we will be doing a 2-part series. The first part rolls off on Sunday, the 5th of March at yardmedia.com, where we are going to be taking a solid look at the career of a great contributor, Freddy McGregor. And on the second Sunday, that's going to be the 12th of March, we're going to be looking not only at his work as well, but the dynasty that Freddy has now really solidly created as his children prepare themselves to take that mantle for that Freddy has established and to take the music further down the road. Join us on yardmedia.com, and of course, if you haven't done so yet, I'm gonna invite you to just sign up for subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and of course, if you like our videos, we're gonna always invite you to like and share. Again, Sunday, March 12th, Sunday, March 5th rather, and March 12th, 2 programs dedicated to celebrating the work of Freddy McGregor. Join us.